everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. This advent calendar needs no introduction. It is, of course, the 2022 Dior advent calendar. Before we start, can I ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all the upcoming advent calendar unboxings, and there are so many cool ones to come. Today we will be unboxing the 2022 Dior advent calendar, and I'm super excited about this one because I was one of the first few people in Australia to get my hands on this advent calendar. Now this is a luxury brand advent calendar and it is quite a pricey one. It is retailing for 820 Australian dollars on the Dior website and has a value of about 900 Australian dollars. Now, obviously this is quite pricey and it's not the box for everyone, but I genuinely really love the Dior brand, especially their fashion and beauty items. So I am really excited to unbox this one with you guys. So the box opens up like this. And inside is a beautiful, beautiful design. You've got a very intricate gold art design by the artist Pietro Ruffo, and it features just beautiful flowers, constellations, and animals. In the middle, you have the iconic 30 Avenue Montaigne building. So if you want to get this advent calendar, I will leave a link below on where to get it. This particular one is actually super duper limited, so if you want to get it, I would not wait around. So when you buy something like this, you often get little gifts that come with it because, well, this is quite pricey and they're usually quite small samples such as perfume or skincare, but I got these two cool gift sets. The first box has these really cute hair ties. I've never seen anything like this before. It's usually the deluxe samples or perfumes. This is a trio hair tie. They're all gold and just beautiful, honestly. It comes in three iconic designs: the love heart, the star, and the bee. We also received the Miss Dior set, which comes with a few deluxe samples. Without further ado, let's unbox the first day. On the first day, we have the Dior Eau de Parfum. This is our first fragrance and it's so cute. It's a mini 5 mils. It smells beautiful. It's florally and fruity in scent. And this is actually one of their popular fragrances. We have the Rouge Dior lipstick in the 999 velvet finish, our first makeup product. It's a very bold red color, so beautiful and very festive. This is a mini lipstick, 1.5 gram, and it is the velvet finish. Now there are 4 different finishes to this lipstick: matte, satin, velvet, and metallic. This is in their iconic color. It's a very timeless crimson red. On to number 3. In day 3, we have our first skincare product. We have the Capture Total Super Potent Serum. This is a mini, it's 10 mils and a very, very popular serum. They say in a month, your skin will feel firmer, more plump, and very radiant. This is very much an anti-aging product, and I've actually been meaning to incorporate more anti-aging products into my skincare routine as I'm growing older. This one is packed with hyaluronic acid, and of course, we really love that. Let's check out day number 4. On day 4, we have the Christian Dior The Osmanthus Candle. This is a mini, it's 35 grams, and it smells amazing. This is our first homewares item, and I'm loving that they're switching up the categories each door. It just keeps us on our toes and not bored. This candle has key notes of gourmet apricot aromas, and it gives a very light, fruity, yet floral scent. Moving on to day 5. The 5th product is the cutest Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. This is a mini, it's 5 mils. I actually have the full size here from a previous Miss Dior pop-up event in Sydney. They're both super cute, love the scent, and this is the size difference for comparison. I really love the Miss Dior scent. It is a very, very popular one and very sweet, florally, and light to the nose. The 100ml bottle we got from the pop-up was customized with the pin, which I put M and a love heart. I think the original pin will have a CD for Christian Dior. I also had it engraved on the day, which was super cute. Next, we have day 6. On day 6, we have the Dior Lucky Star Christmas decoration. It's super cute, super detailed. The artwork on this matches the one on the box, and it's definitely going on the tree this year. Let's move on to day 7. Day 7 is the La Collection Privée Christian Dior Gris Dior. This is our second fragrance and it's 7.5 mils. It's got a very strong rose and patchouli smell, and this is actually a unisex fragrance. Time to go to day 8. On the 8th day, we have the Dior Show Iconic Overkill Mascara in the shade 090 Black. This is a mini and it's 4 mils. The brush looks beautiful. It's got a curved design and this is meant to be perfect for volumizing and curling your lashes. Next, we have day number 9. Day 9 is the Sauvage Eau de Toilette. It's a men's mini. It's 10 mils. I was actually thinking about getting this for my husband, so this is going to be perfect. It's a very, very popular scent, especially since Johnny Depp is the face of the scent. The scent itself is actually quite citrusy, but definitely has wood elements in there. It's definitely a very fresh scent. We are on to day 10. The 10th product is the Dior Prestige Micro Hui de Rose Advanced Serum. The packaging on this is so gorgeous. Look at the casing. This is a mini, it's 10 mils and it's super pricey. Now I know it's only 10 mils, but the full size is 30 mils and it retails for like 415 Australian dollars. Now this is a beautiful serum for all skin types. It does focus on it being a serum that repairs the skin, and inside are micro pearls that you can see here. They are packed with nutrients. The main ingredient for this is the Rose de Granville sap, which is 4 times more powerful than retinoic acid for skin revitalizing. I can't wait to include this into my skincare routine. Day number 11. Okay, so day 11, we have another beautiful candle. This is the Jardin d'Orange, and it's a mini candle. It's 35 grams. Smells like a beautiful orangey scent with a light touch of a floral note. I always love candles, and this will be a beautiful addition to my growing candle collection. On to the halfway mark, number 12. Day 12 is the Dior Vernis. This is their nail polish and it's in the shade 999. This is a mini, it's 7 mils and it's in the same iconic shade as the lipstick in day number 1. I love a good red nail polish, so definitely adding this one to my nail polish collection, and the color is super festive for Christmas. Moving on to day 13. We have the La Collection Privée Christian Dior Oud Ispahan. This is another fragrance. It's 7.5 mils and it smells so incredible. It has hints of rose. Next, we have day 14. On day 14, we have the Rouge Dior Balm in the shade 000. This is a mini and it has a satin finish. It contains pomegranate and peony flower extracts. The packaging is with the new CD signature band, which is identical to the first lipstick we saw in day 2. On to day 15. We have the Gris Dior Body Cream, and this is the same scent as the fragrance that we unboxed on day 7. This is a mini and it's 15 mils. This is a very creamy texture and smells incredible. It's time for day number 16. Day 16 is the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This is a mini and it's 5 mils. This fragrance is very florally and hits peony floral notes. This is different from the Miss Dior fragrance, which is rosy. Both have mandarin fruity notes and I really love this one. We are on to day number 17. On day 17, we have the La Collection Privée Christian Dior Jasmin d'Ange, and this is another beautiful fragrance. It's 7.5 mils and has beautiful jasmine floral notes. Incredible. It's another floral fruity combo and I definitely love it. On to day 18. We have the Ombre Nuit candle. This is a mini, 35 grams. It smells incredible. It has a very deep rosy scent with a touch of grapefruit. Another winning candle. Love it. Time for number 19. Day 19 is the Dior Parfum D'Eau. This is a mini and it's 5 mils. It's meant to smell incredibly floral. It's very light. I love it. It's a beautiful mix of water and flowers. This is Dior's first water-based fragrance, making it very unique. Next we have day 20. Inside we have the Rouge Dior lipstick and this one is in the shade 100. This is a nude shade and has a velvet finish. Similar to day 2 and 14, it has the signature CD band. We are now up to day 21. The 21st item is the Dior Prestige Intensive Repairing Cream. This is Dior's first intensive repairing cream, and of course it is for anti-aging. This is 15 mils and the main ingredients are from the Rose de Granville sap once again and 2 peptides. It is super luxe and I'm absolutely loving the anti-aging products. Now we're feeling 22. Here we have the Miss Dior hand cream. This is 20 mils and it smells incredible. It's got the same rosy scent as the fragrance and a very beautiful, rich, creamy texture. So we are up to the second last door. 23 is the Dior Show Maximizer 3D. This is a lash primer serum. It's a mini and it's 4 mils. I've never actually used a lash primer serum before, but I am excited to try this one because it's meant to lengthen your lashes. You can use it at night to condition your lashes and also right before mascara for immediate results. Excited to try this one at night to see the results over time. We are up to the final door of the 2022 Dior Advent Calendar. Oh wow, look how luxe the packaging is. We have the 30 Montaigne candle. This one's a little bigger, it's 85 grams and it just feels so luxe and limited edition. It's got the same design as the Advent Calendar and is just so intricate and beautiful. So this is the 2022 Dior Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. If this is the calendar for you, I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. These ones, as I mentioned, are super limited, so I would hunt one down soon if you really want it. So I am genuinely a big fan of the Dior brand, both in fashion and beauty. So I really enjoyed unboxing this Advent Calendar. And I wish there were bigger sizes than minis, but this is a luxury advent calendar, so it's totally understandable that they couldn't put full-size items in here, otherwise it probably would cost a fortune. In saying that, I really enjoyed the mini perfumes that I got in here. They were really, really cute and probably perfect for traveling because you can get so many scents and they're quite light. I also really liked the candles because I'm a super candle girl, and the scents were so beautiful in this one. The skincare items were also so generous and luxe given the price of the full-size versions. So all in all, I am very, very happy with this advent calendar. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video.